everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something that's both fun and profitable, media stocks. We're gonna break down which companies are looking good and why. So if you're interested in investing in the entertainment world, this one's for you. Get ready to discover some awesome stocks to add to your watch list and maybe even your portfolio. Oh, and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's get started.
Jigger Pro is reigning with exciting features. Stocks, IPO, baskets order, integrated option chain, sector filter, stock alerts, screeners, advanced trading charts, free equity delivery. Now trading is in your own language. A perfect example of everything under one roof. Trade effortlessly and effectively at the same time with Jigger Pro. Download Jigger Pro now.
Disclaimer: investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Best media stocks in India. Ever found yourself glued to the screen, binge watching the latest series or humming a catchy tune from a Bollywood flick? You're not alone. India's media and entertainment scene is buzzing, and it's more than just glitz and glamour. This vibrant industry is a goldmine for savvy investors. Let's dive into the best media stocks in India and discover why they could be your ticket to a profitable portfolio. Forget the stereotypes. India's entertainment industry is a dynamic force to be reckoned with. The growing middle class is splurging on movies, streaming services, and gaming, while the digital revolution has completely transformed how we consume content. Thanks to platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime. The shift from traditional TV to on-demand content isn't just a trend. It's a seismic shift in how we experience entertainment, says media analyst Raj Sharma. This is echoed by the 2023 report from Mediacom, which states that 72% of Indian consumers now prefer streaming services over traditional TV channels. With over 1.3 billion people in India, here's a quick look at some of the stars of the Indian media stock market, each with unique strengths and substantial growth potential. Zee Entertainment, Zeel. With a vast network of channels and the popular ZEE5 streaming platform, they're riding the digital wave with a 40% increase in ZEE5 subscriptions last year. Sun TV Network, the undisputed king of South Indian television, capturing a massive 80% of the Tamil local audience. Network 18, Media and Investments. This diversified media giant boasts popular news channels like CNN News 18. Their new digital programming has attracted an impressive 1 million new users in just 6 months. TV 18. Broadcast, with channels like Colors and MTV under their belt, they're masters at adapting to what viewers want, especially the younger crowd, with their engaging interactive content. Now, before you jump on the bandwagon, remember, media stocks, like any investment, come with their own set of considerations. Regulatory landscape. Government policies can impact media operations, so stay informed. Content is king. The quality and appeal of content are crucial. Without a good story, viewers will look elsewhere. Digital is the future. With streaming and online content on the rise, companies must adapt or risk becoming irrelevant. Advertising revenue matters. Fluctuations in ad spending can impact stock performance. Economic impact. The overall economy affects how much people spend on entertainment. If you're a risk-tolerant investor with a long-term outlook, media stocks might be your perfect match. Understanding the media landscape and staying on top of consumer trends can help you spot potential winners. As always, remember that investing carries risks. Do your own research and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, lights, camera, invest, but only after you've done your homework.
Struggling to diversify your investment? Jigger Pro is doing it effortlessly. Jigger Pro's dashboard is now filled with user-friendly features. Stocks are separated based on its sector: media, automobile, banking, oil and gas, metals, and whatnot. Diversify your investment in various sectors with Jigger Pro. Start your investing journey now and enjoy zero brokerage for equity delivery. Open your free Demat account now.
Disclaimer: investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.